All right. How cool is this? All right, now, Nicole, we want to hear from you, woman to woman, girlfriend to girlfriend, mom to mom, and scientist to scientist, okay? I want you to tell us what you love about frankincense and why this, and what is so special about the chemistry of this oil.
Well, Beck, I have to echo you in saying this is a daily use oil for me and my family. Like many of you, I have had some experiences with the frankincense oil that science may not be able to explain yet, but they've truly shown me the power of this remarkable essential oil. So you heard Dr. Hill yesterday talk about the chemistry and why frankincense is so unique. You heard a lot about alpha-pinene and the amazing power of this molecule. What is so exciting about doTERRA's frankincense is the blend of species. It brings that chemistry together from 4 different species to give an optimized amount of those important constituents. Now, frankincense oil is sourced from some of the most harsh climates on Earth, which has produced in the frankincense trees an essential oil with constituents that help the trees not just survive, but thrive. It's intuitive that this same chemistry can encourage that kind of resilience in our cells, since humans and plants evolved together. So the complex mixture really represents the power here. And let's review some of that broad spectrum activity of frankincense that Dr. Hill mentioned yesterday. Evidence suggests internal use of frankincense may influence GABA receptors for calming, acetylcholinesterase inhibition for enhancing cognition and memory, transient receptor potential or TRP channels for regulating nervous system signals, nucleofactor kappa beta or NF-κB. Don't you just love all these acronyms? It's great. These pathways are for regulating immune response and healthy inflammatory response. And MAPK, ERK pathways for cellular growth, differentiation, and survival. Oxidative stress pathways for incorporating antioxidant activity. Any way you look at it, frankincense is truly a powerhouse for cellular health and well-being.
Okay, so did you all pick that up? Everyone got?
There's a quiz later, so come on.
I love spending time with Nicole. So Nicole, you just explained the amazing chemistry of the doTERRA frankincense and its internal benefits. So as it relates to the frankincense stick that we just created, why would we choose to pair it with Naio Wood? I think we should, share, and then help us understand how the chemistry of Naio Wood and frankincense work together in synergy.
I loved Dr. Riggs yesterday talking about this amazing new oil. The soothing sesquiterpenoid chemistry of Naio Wood combines beautifully with the monoterpenoid chemistry of frankincense here. It's really like the yin and yang of this product that's intended to beautify and enhance the skin, while also providing aromatic experience that is calming and soothing to the body. We are so excited about Naio Wood because of its exceptional chemistry. It has some similarities to sandalwood. Many of us know and love that, but Naio Wood is unique. It is the essential oil highest in, do you remember from yesterday? Alpha-Bisabolol. No, I don't remember that. Okay, but let's talk about why that matters for you. Plants that contain Alpha-Bisabolol, including chamomile, salvia species, these have been used for hundreds of years in traditional wellness practices. These plants are well known for their abilities to soothe and calm, but they're powerful too. Studies suggest that Alpha-Bisabolol can increase the absorption of other beneficial compounds. So in the context of the frankincense stick, the combination of the Naio Wood with its Alpha-Bisabolol and the powerful chemistry of the frankincense means that your skin can absorb more of those amazing frankincense molecules. That's pretty amazing, right?
Yeah, it's so incredible, these two oils coming together. So based on Nicole's explanation, we can see how the chemistry of frankincense and Naio Wood with Alpha-Bisabolol work together. Now, many skincare products contain synthetic Alpha-Bisabolol and they use it for its amazing skin benefits, from reducing fine lines and wrinkles to supporting skin that's had a little bit too much sun. So the frankincense stick is your true powerhouse for skin. It supports your skin's natural barrier, which is your first line of defense against the world. Now, this barrier is crucial for keeping irritants and toxins out while locking in essential moisture and hydration. And when this barrier isn't cared for, your skin can become dehydrated, itchy, and irritated, leaving you vulnerable to environmental skin stressors. So this is why it is so vital to nourish your skin barrier in every possible way. Now, with the frankincense stick, you're not just protecting your skin, you're also enveloping yourself in the rich, grounding aroma, I could say that, of frankincense. Now, this ancient aroma is known for its ability to uplift the spirit and create a space of peace and calm. And each application offers a moment of soothing relief and aromatic bliss, making it a holistic experience for both your skin and your senses. And for those of you who are true frankincense enthusiasts, here's a pro tip, okay? So I like to add a few extra drops of the frankincense essential oil directly onto the stick before applying it to my area of choice. Now, this intensifies the experience, delivering even more frankincense's soothing and skin-supporting benefits right where you need them most.
I'm going to steal that idea. For me, I love to use the frankincense on my neck, shoulders, and back. After a long day in the lab, hunched over the bench, I'll layer it with the deep blue stick. It's an amazing 1-2 punch for comfort. And my kids, well, they love the doTERRA sticks because they're convenient, easy to apply, no mess. At bedtime, here's my pro tip. We love to use the frankincense stick along with the serenity stick while we process the day, get ready for a restful sleep. This stick has become a staple for grounding and supporting us amidst this crazy life.
Same, Nicole. We love using it at nighttime at our house. So this next product has been years in the making. So we first began dreaming about the possibility of this product in 2017. So let's talk about what makes this frankincense boswellic acid so unique. Now, it's similar to the turmeric dual capsule. How many of you have tried that? Okay. So what we've done is we've combined an essential oil with the heavier molecules from the plant material that are not found in the essential oil. So Dr. Stephen is going to tell us more about this complex and why the combination of the essential oil and the other plant material are so important.
Okay, so first we got to talk about those boswellic acids. Anyone out there excited for this new addition? Boswellic acids are extracted from the frankincense resin, and like Becca said, they're too heavy to be carried over during that distillation process when the oil is created. But by combining the boswellic acids and the essential oil in this complex, we're really harnessing more of the power of nature as it's been perfected over millions of years. Just like with frankincense oil, the boswellic acids powerfully influence some of our body's critical pathways. Dozens have been investigated, possibly hundreds more are still undiscovered. Let me tell you about 2 that I'm excited about. The 5-LOX or lipoxygenase pathway is one of our body's main assembly lines for inflammatory responses. Those chemicals that make you sneeze and make your nose itch when you're allergic to something, they're produced through the 5-LOX pathway. Boswellic acids have been shown to help regulate this pathway. This means we can better dial up when we need a healthy inflammatory response, but dial back down when the threat is past and we want our inflammatory response low. We all want that, right? So one other pathway we'll mention is PI3K-AKT pathway, which stands for, wait for it, phosphatidylinositol-3 kinase protein kinase B. All together now.
Yeah. It sounds like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
The science version of it, yeah. I know, that name is ridiculously complex, but so is the pathway. It's involved in various cellular processes, including cell growth, survival, metabolism, proliferation. From a high-level view, this pathway's job is to manage healthy cell function. Boswellic acids have been shown to help modulate how this pathway functions and help optimize it. Amazing, right? We have cells dividing every second. So making sure this process is handled correctly And helping regulate how quickly those cell divisions are going on is critical for healthy cellular function. So this unique formulation of the oil plus the boswellic acids really enhances and complements the activity of both components. Okay, so what's the bottom line for you? The chemistry of frankincense oil and boswellic acids are powerful signals for influencing the body's cellular health pathways. This is why frankincense is a daily use product. We can positively influence the trillions of cells in our bodies, connecting them with primal signals that our ancestors once received from their environment, but which many of us miss in our modern lifestyle.
Oh my gosh. No, thank you, Nicole, for that amazing explanation of this incredibly complex chemistry, right? Now, you can see why we've worked so hard to make these capsules a reality. And we want you to experience the full power of frankincense just as nature intended. And we wouldn't be doTERRA if we weren't already deep into a clinical trial for this new product. And Nicole is going to share with us some of the exciting research that is already going on.
Yes, yes. We have got more than 60 participants working their way through a research study involving internal use of frankincense oil and the frankincense boswellic acid complex. We are still collecting data, but let me give you a sneak peek of some initial results. Blood markers are some of our most important data points in a clinical trial. So far, the results are looking very exciting. Here, too, I'll highlight for you. hs-CRP. That may sound familiar. This is a marker of inflammatory response we also looked at in our SERENITY study last year. hs-CRP stands for high sensitivity C-reactive protein. We typically like to see a low value in healthy individuals. With our frankincense products, hs-CRP levels were reduced in 4 weeks. IL-6, another marker of inflammatory response. Now, this is a messenger molecule in our inflammatory pathways. This marker also reduced in our participants even more dramatically than hs-CRP. We saw statistical significance with a p-value of 0.038 for those of you who love numbers and are nerds. Right, that's exciting.
Get excited.
These two markers are exciting initial evidence supporting our claim of frankincense for antioxidant support and protection. Okay, now we also ask our participants how they're feeling using validated research questionnaires. We always love to see how change on that cellular level translates into real-life functioning. For our participants, frankincense encouraged positive changes in well-being. They felt better, functioned better, found significant improvements in many aspects of life. Remember earlier when we were talking about pathways, how frankincense and boswellic acid have powerful effects on that central nervous system? We are seeing initial evidence of profound impacts on how our participants' nervous systems and other body processes are working. So we're seeing that translation of cellular changes up to how we're feeling and functioning. It's really encouraging data, and we cannot wait to finish the trial, analyze the whole data set, and share more with you in lots of post-convention education sessions. Okay, so real quick, for those of you who want to dive a little deeper, I'm going to give you a homework assignment. Go to an academic search engine like PubMed or Google Scholar, type in some of the terms we've been talking about, alpha-pinene, frankincense, boswellic acids. I think you're going to be amazed at the depth and breadth of research available. And be sure and swing by the showcase. I would love to geek out with you about frankincense.